revealed the 4 superfoods that boosts your brain after 50 if you over 50 and feel like your memory isn't what it used to be. If your focus is slipping and you sometimes walk into a room and forget why, then this video was made for you. But pay close attention. What you're about to discover can completely transform your brain health. Because according to new studies, there are 4 little-known superfoods that have the power to speed up neural connections, protect the brain from premature aging, and even stimulate the regeneration of areas damaged by stress and time. And no, we're not talking about pills or expensive supplements. These are natural, accessible foods you may already have at home, but have likely never used the right way. So stick with me until the end because the 4th superfood comes with a secret the supplement industry docent T wants you to know. A common mistake that makes most people waste the true potential of these brain-boosting foods. But first, let's understand one key thing. The brain is like a muscle. It needs stimulation, rest, but above all, high-quality fuel. The truth is, as we age, the brain naturally begins to experience cognitive decline. That's common, but common doesn't mean inevitable. Science has already proven that what you eat directly influences your ability to remember, learn, react, and even sleep well. So the question is, why keep eating like your brain doesn't matter? Why ignore essential nutrients when we can use food as a powerful natural remedy? Let's start with the first. It's small but mighty, and it's been studied by universities like Harvard and Oxford for years. We're talking about flaxseed, rich in alpha-linoleic acid, a plant-based omega-3. Flax seeds have anti-inflammatory properties and help protect the myelin sheath, a kind of insulating cover for neurons that allows brain signals to travel quickly and efficiently. For people over 50, this protection tends to wear down. That's where flax seeds come in. But here's the catch. Most people eat them the wrong way. You must grind or soak them for at least 8 hours, or else they pass through the intestines without releasing their nutrients. Now that, don't make that mistake again. Moving on to the second superfood, it is something so simple you might overlook it: eggs. That's right. Eggs are one of the most nutritionally complete foods and a true cognitive powerhouse. The key lies in choline, a compound essential for producing a neurotransmitter involved in memory and learning. In fact, people with Alzheimer's often have low levels of this brain chemical, and here as a shocking fact, over 90% of the world's population doesn't get enough choline. One egg yolk has around 150 milligrams of it. Eating 3 eggs a day brings you close to the ideal amount. And no, eggs do not raise bad cholesterol, as was once believed. That myth has been completely debunked by recent research. Here's the smart way. Opt for pasture-raised eggs and eat them boiled or poached. Avoid frying them in vegetable oils. Your brain will thank you. If you think this sounds familiar, wait until you hear about the third superfood because it acts directly on the hippocampus, the brain's memory center. We're talking about blueberries. These tiny berries have one of the highest concentrations of anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that enhance brain plasticity, which is the brain's ability to form new connections. A study in the Journal of Neuroscience found that adults over 50 who consumed blueberries daily for 12 weeks showed significant improvements in reaction time, verbal memory, and focus. Even those who had frequent forgetfulness noticed a difference, and if you can't get fresh blueberries, frozen ones work just as well. Here's a powerful tip. Mix blueberries with a pinch of cinnamon and raw cacao powder. These three together create a synergistic effect that boosts brain health even more. Now, we've reached the fourth soup. This one is by far the most overlooked by the general public and the most feared by the pharmaceutical industry. We're talking about seaweed, especially spirulina and chlorella. These algae are incredibly rich in bioavailable iron, magnesium, natural B12, protein, and chlorophyll, which directly support brain oxygenation. That means more mental energy, less fatigue, and real improvement in your ability to think clearly and retain information. If you suffer from anxiety, insomnia, or racing thoughts, these foods can also help balance the gut-brain axis, reducing silent inflammation that harms your mood and mental clarity. Just 1 teaspoon a day of spirulina powder can be enough to notice results within weeks. And the best part, it's all natural, vegan, and sustainable. Now remember that secret I promised? Here it is. None of these superfoods will work if your gut is inflamed or unbalanced. Your brain and gut are in constant communication. If your gut is producing inflammatory substances, your brain will suffer. So before you focus on adding, also think about subtracting. Cut out ultra-processed foods, refined sugar, and oxidized vegetable oils. They don't just cancel out the benefits of superfoods. They accelerate brain aging. In other words, it doesn't help to eat spirulina if you're also having donuts for breakfast. It's useless to add blueberries to your oatmeal and wash it down with soda. The real secret is balance, consistency, and smart nutrition. If you made it this far, congratulations. Most people won't. That means you're truly committed to your mental health. And now I want to hear from you. Which of these 4 superfoods do you already eat? Or which one are you going to start adding to your day from now on? Let me know in the comments. And if this video helped you, share it with someone you love, because brain health is a gift for yourself and for those around you. Don't forget, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and stay with us. Every week, there's content like this based on science, natural health, and what really transforms lives after 50. See you in the next video.